Select circle tool and create a circle like this. By pressing Alt and Shift, we can make another copy. Select both the circle and choose Unite. Now, go to Direct Selection tool and select bottom and just drag it like this. Select again and make a fillet. Now, create one more circle like this and place it like this. Now select both the object and choose minus front. Create ellipse like this and make the copy of this by pressing Alt and Shift. Now select both the object and choose intersect. Just rotate 45 degrees like this and move it here. I hope you really enjoy this video. If you have any doubt, please mention in the comment.